I feel a lot more confident about entering data and formulas and working with cells, but my data doesn't look that great. I'm not entirely sure if my manager would like it like this.
I think we need to look at some formatting. What do you think?
I think so.
When we talk about formatting, we're just changing what it looks like. So we want to make sure that it's more readable. We want to make sure that we can find the information that we need. We're going to start here in B1. We're going to focus on the text in this lesson. And formatting just really makes sure that things that are important really pop out to us, that we notice them. So clearly a heading would need to look a little different. So let's just select that cell. And then you have the font group on the ribbon that has quite a few commands. Probably some of these look familiar to you. What might you want to apply to this cell?
Maybe a bold and an underline.
Sure, let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to click on the B for bold, and then if you want underline, click on the U. And if you hover over those commands, it'll show you the shortcuts. So Control B for bold, Control I for italics, Control U for underline. Let's say that you need to make that a little bit bigger. You'll notice right above the bold, italic, and underline, you have that number 11. So that's the font size. You can click on the down arrow, you can choose from the list, you could type in a number, or you'll see the two A's beside that, and that just means bigger font size, smaller font size. So if you just want to click those and eyeball it, you can do that too. So you notice you're making it a little bit bigger there.
So you said I could change the font.
Absolutely. Just click on the down arrow beside Calibri and you can choose any of those fonts that you like.
Let's try this one.
Looks good.